everyone, want to create a directory or listing website? ListingHive by HivePress makes it simple. You can create a job board, real estate site, or a service listing all in easy way. So let's delve into this. Now we are on a ListingHive demo. With the help of the plugin, you can create business directories, marketplaces, class fields, and many more. Here you can see the listings already created and categorized. You can see the top categories, recent listings, and many more. Here you can search for your desired keywords and location and find your desired listing. Let's open any of the listings and check what they have there. For example, a real estate listing. Here you can see that it's the real estate category. Here you can choose the type you are searching for. For example, whether it's apartment, house, or a room. For example, let's check this one. And also here you can customize the footage and filter. So here we can see the result based on our search. Here you can also see a map where the room is located exactly. Let's open any of these listings. Here you can see more detailed information about the room. Here you can see its location, reviews. You can add it to your favorites, and then if you want to compare it to some other rooms, you can do it. Here you can see images related to the room to get a better understanding of how it looks. Also here you can see the type, footage. Also you can add information and description about the room so that users can know and that visitors can know what it has and what it doesn't. Also here you can see the pricing. You can write a review, report listing, and also here you can see the location, exactly where it is with a map. And also here you can see contact information about the author of the listing. So let's go to the dashboard so I can explain how to achieve this result. Now we are on our dashboard, and at first we will need to install the ListingHive theme. And for that we will need to go Appearance, Themes, and here we will need to search for ListingHive. Here it is. We will need to install and activate it. So the theme is already installed and activated, and after this you can see that you are recommended to install the following plugin, HivePress, so that you can create directories. So we click on the HivePress link here, and then here we will need to install it on our dashboard. And then activate it. So the HivePress plugin is installed and activated as well. And here you can see the menu appeared here. So at first, let's check what extensions the plugin offers. And for that, we will need to go to the HivePress and extensions page. Here are the extensions available for the HivePress plugin, and here you can see both paid and free extensions. Let's install some of the free extensions as well. For example, let's install the favorites, messages, reviews, and geolocation. All the mentioned extensions don't need any setup except the geolocation, which needs an API key of your map provider, for example, Mapbox or Google Map, whatever you use. And to install the extension, you just need to click on the install button here, and then you will need to click on the activate plugin. You can do this for all the remaining extensions, and once installed, you can see them appearing on the plugins page. With the next step, I highly recommend to import the ListingHive demo content, which is provided by ListingHive itself for free for all its users, which is actually a great step. And to do this, we need to follow this screencast here. We click on it. Now we are on the documentation page of the HivePress, and to download the demo content, we just need to click on the download the demo content files link. Here it is downloaded. We have downloaded twice. And then let's go back to our dashboard. To import a demo content, you will need to add another plugin. For that, we will need to click on the add plugin button here. Here we will need to search for the one-click demo import plugin. Here is the plugin. You will need to click on the Install Now and Activate button here. Once the import plugin is already installed and activated, you will need to go to the Appearance, Import Demo Data page. Then from this page, you will need to click on Import Content and select a file, and Import Widget and select a file. And here you can see that the demo has been imported, and it is just the same as the one I have shown in the first part of the video. So let's go to the dashboard and check some of the features and functionalities the plugin offers. Now we are on the settings page of the HivePress plugin. Here you can see the display settings, listings page display. You can customize the settings, write a title, choose images, like settings related to images. Also here you can provide and customize the settings for the search. And then we can go to the vendors. On a vendors page, you can decide whether you want to display the vendors on the front end or not. Here you can choose the vendors page, like whether you want to choose all vendors on all pages or not. Here you can see the number of vendors you can have per page, etc. Then we can go to the users. Here the same goes for the users. You can display profiles on a front end or not. Here you can choose the display name for the users, and here you can see some settings related to the registration. And let's go to the integrations. Here you can provide the protected forms, usage tracking, you can enable it, and also you will need to provide license key if you want. Let's head to the emails. Here you can click on the Add Email button and choose for which event you want to send an email. You can choose the event from this list. On a templates page, you can add your desired templates, and on a themes page, you can choose the HivePress themes. And I have already displayed the extensions page. Now we are on a categories page. You can add custom categories for listings in listings categories tabs, and listing fields in listings and attributes. This will allow you building a website for any niche, and there are no any hard-coded fields or categories in the plugin. Here also you can check the listings page. You can click and add a listing. And here you can see the listings I have already created. And also here you can check the attributes. The attributes refer to, for example, rent, conditions, price, footage, shipping, hourly rate, etc. So that was all about the HivePress plugin. As you can see, it's very easy to set up and use. So in the comments below, let me know the purpose you have for using the HivePress plugin, and also if you have any questions related to the plugin and its features, you are free to let us know in the comments below. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more video tutorials and tips. Bye!